Melissa here, bringing you more VIP magic, and the magic today is the Helios Grand Hotel at Universal Studios. I am here previewing the Epic Universe brand new park. I'm so excited. We're staying at the Helios Grand. This is a club level theme park view. Do you see the beautiful water show behind me and Celestial Park? I'm so excited to get down in the park. So this is a club level room, and we have a club level lounge. We have all of the offerings that I'll be showing you later. So stay tuned, like and subscribe so you can see all of my videos of my time here at the new Epic Universe. And for now, I'm going to tour you around the 2 Queen club level Helios Grand Room. Let's go. All right, we're on the 9th floor. It's 968. Let's come on in. I'm already noticing the beautiful carpet. And you guys, let's start with this view. Oh my word. This is gorgeous. Can you imagine what this is going to look like at night? All of the parks are out here, the different lands. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely gorgeous. Let's book your theme park view room today. All right, so we have 2 queen beds here. I love the blue theme, the mauve. We have a beautiful table here with golds and mauves. We've got a chair, a really cool looking light. I like that too. The bed linens are very soft and luxurious. There's a light here on the side in case you want to read at night with an on and off button, which is nice. Ooh, really nice bedspread here, velvety, so pretty. And then in between the beds, you're going to have chargers. So you have USBs, you've got regular chargers on both sides, which is very nice. We have an iPad here with Helios Grand, very nice. And then we've got our light here in the middle, and it also has on and off, which is great. Very good. And your second queen size bed. And then we have a chest of drawers here, or one drawer actually. Very good. And let me turn that light back on since we're filming. And then if we turn back around, I see we have a flat screen TV. And then we have right in here, we have a refrigerator. So that's great. And then we've got our drawers here. Ooh, they're really deep too. So lots of storage space. Yeah, this is wonderful. So 4 of those. There's a desk here if you need to work. This weekend I'm going to be booking Universal trips for my guests. So this will be a great place to do this. Here is a Universal Helios rundown, all the good to knows that you'll need. So pause that and read over it. We have a phone here, and then we have a Helios pad. And then we also have more information on the Helios. There's a map of the park and where we are in the rooftop level. If you stay tuned, I'll be going up to the Helios rooftop bar soon. So you'll want to make sure that you subscribe so you can see those videos. And here's our ice bucket. There are 2 bottles of Fiji water. They are $8 each, so keep that in mind. I'm just going to go down and get food in the lounge, the club level lounge. Now check out this bathroom. It's beautiful. I love all the mauve pink colors. And then we have a drawer here, and I'm just noticing these drawers are so deep. And then they have automatic close, so that's really nice. It's 1 sink here. And then we have the gold accents. Those are really nice. We have tissue. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we have some cotton balls and cotton swabs. We have a makeup mirror that's lighted. Oh, hello there. So, yep, we can use that. And check out these lights. Those are really pretty too. Hey, just beautiful, just altogether beautiful. And then we have a face bar here. We have a shower cap, and then we also have hand and body cream. So that's great. And then we have a stand-up shower. This is really nice. So let's check this out, along with a potty here. And then you've got towels in the back. Oh, and it's gonna roll open. Okay, great. So we have Julian Farrell body products. I really like this tile too. Very nice. And then we have the shower, and the shower is gonna be over here, which is great. And then there's a little area with another thing of soap. So you don't have to get wet. You just turn it on here, and then you've got a little seat there as well. Very nice. Okay, so let's look here. We've got our closet. I love the navy blue and the gold. Let's open it up, and we've got, ooh, a pretty robe. We are in club level. So this says Lowe's Hotel. We've also got a safe here that we can lock. Put your own code there for your valuables. We have a ironing board and an iron, and we also can send out to laundry if we need it. There's more bed linens up here if you need a blanket, and then I also see the iron up at the top and plenty of hangers there. So very good. I love that. Now for a full-length mirror, I see it right here. That's nice right there in the entryway. Beautiful lighting. So a really lovely room. Let's just take a peek at it one more time. Very good. Excellent. And for your next Universal vacation, contact Melissa VIP Magic. You can find me at melissavipmagic.com. Book with a VIP expert so you don't miss a thing. Like and subscribe, click that bell for notifications to follow all my Universal travels around the world. It would be my pleasure to assist your family. Now, let's go tour the Club Lounge. Make sure you stay tuned.